issue at par, redeemable at par. It will be issue at discount, redeemable at par. How to calculate now? Your 4 journal entries are 4 statements are over. Now, issue of debenture at discount, redeemable at premium. Hello everyone, I am your Adarsh sir, lecturing Vidhyaashram PU College, the Temple of Excellence. So we are in the 6th session of your topic called Issue and Redemption of Debenture. Now, in the previous session, we worked out one problem along with journal entry with numbers. And also I explained you how to pick out journal entries from the format. Similarly, in the same format, we'll go with the journal entry as well as calculation. This will be your question. We'll go one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many statements we have? We have total 6 statements. We'll go one by one. Slowly we will understand how to calculate premium, discount, R as well as par. The first one, if it is both for par, it will be easy. Issue 1 lakh debentures of 100 each at par, redeemable at par. Easy calculation, no need of any additional calculation. So whatever they have given 1 lakh, just we have to paste 1 lakh, 1 lakh. I'll go to your answer. Issue at par, redeemable at par. It will be 1 lakh and 1 lakh. Similarly, 1 lakh and 1 lakh. Your first journal entry is over. We are doing as per the format. Whatever format I have given, as per that you will get this one. Hope you understood. Now, we'll go for this second one. Issue of 1 lakh debenture at each discount. Issue at discount, redeemable at par. Issued at discount and redeemable at par. Now, issue at discount, redeemable at par. How to calculate now? Issued at discount means actual value is 1 lakh. What is the discount given? 9% debenture. Remember, this 9% you should not consider. Why? Because there is a name of the debenture. Name of the debenture is 9% debenture. But this 9% you should not take it for calculation anywhere. I am telling this. Why? Because 90% of the students commit mistakes here. They calculate 9% for discount. That is wrong. It is only name of the debenture. Now, 9% debenture of rupees 100 each at discount of 5%. For calculation of discount, you should take only 5%. Now, repayable at par. I'll go back to your answer. In this, what you have to mention? Debenture of 100 each issued at discount, redeemable at par. Now, your actual value is how much? 1 lakh. What is the discount given? Discount is 5%. So how much you will get? You will get around 5,000. Now, your calculation will be bank account will come later. Discount is how much? 5,000. To debenture account. Debenture, always remember, it should be actual value. It should not be more, it should not be less. Whatever value given in the question. See, they have given 1 lakh, no? Your debenture is always this amount. For this problem, 1 lakh. For this problem, 1 lakh. Your debenture, in front of debenture, you should not write less, you should not write more. What kind of debenture? 9% debenture. So your answer will be 9% debenture. Your answer will be 9% debenture. Now, 1 lakh, your discount is 5. 1 lakh minus 5,000, how much? 95 5,000. This will be your answer. Similarly, 1 lakh and 1 lakh. There is no discount, there is no premium in this. So, there is an easy thing. Hope you understood. How did I calculate discount means? On 1 lakh, I calculated 5%. Discount is 5,000 and balance is 95. For the next journal entry, same value. Clear? Yes. We'll go for the third one. Third one is issue of debenture 100 each at premium, redeemable at par. At the time of issue, we have given it premium. How much is premium? 5%. Simple, we'll go for that. As I told you, for debenture, how much we should take? It is 1 lakh. Why I am writing on credit side means it is 2. Anything which comes to credit side, we have to consider as credit side. 1 lakh. What is the premium as per our calculation? 1 lakh multiplied with 5%. Your answer is 5,000. 1 lakh plus 5,000. Your answer is 1 lakh 5,000. Hope you understood. So this is the easiest thing to calculate. Next one is easy. Debenture is how much? 1 lakh. So bank also 1 lakh because redemption at par. Hope you understood. This is done. 1 and 2. Remember, for every statement, we will get 1 and 2 journal entries. One is for issue, another for redemption. Now, we'll go for fourth one. I'll go back to your question. Fourth one, issue of debenture at par but repayable at premium. At the time of issue is par but repayable at premium. What is the premium they have given? 5%. Remember, on 1 lakh you should calculate 5%. Your fourth one, issue at par, redeemable at premium. Now, calculation will be 1 lakh multiplied with 5%. You will get 5,000. Now, as I told you, in front of debenture, you should consider only 1 lakh. What is the premium? 5,000. Similarly, your premium is 5,000 and this one is 1 lakh. Done. Easy. Easy calculation. If you do 3-4 problems, you will understand what is the procedure. Now, next one, this is simple. In front of debenture, first write down it is 1 lakh. Your premium is 5,000. 1 lakh plus 5,000, 1 lakh 5,000. This is done. Your 4 journal entries are 4 statements are over. Now, up to this is very easy. Why? Because the journal entries which are in the format, look at this statement are heading. As per the heading, we are going for that particular journal entry. Now, we'll go for fifth one. In this, issue of debenture at discount, redeemable at premium. See, the case is in this 1 lakh debenture of 100 each at discount. At discount means at the time of collection, you have taken less. Means there is a loss of how much? 5% loss. But redeemable at premium, at the time of repayment, you paid more. Again, there is a loss of how much? 5%. I'll give you an example. Instead of collecting 1,000 from public, you have collected only 950. Wow, how much loss? Loss of 50 rupees. At the time of repayment to public, instead of 1,000, you paid more. 1,050 you paid. Means again 50 rupees loss. Collection also 50 loss. At the repayment also 50 loss. Why? Because at the time of collection you have taken 50 rupees less. At the time of repayment you collected 50 rupees more. 50 plus 50 total 100. Similarly, 5% loss like discount, 5% loss like premium. So total there is a loss of 10%. Remember this. How much loss? 10%. I'll go back to your question. Remember this 1 lakh and 10%. Premium is 5%, discount is 5%. So we have done fifth one. Fifth one also we have 5 and 5%. Yes, the fifth one. First thing what you should do, in front of debenture, write down 1 lakh. Why it is credit side? Because it is 2. That's why I have written 1 lakh on credit side. Now, premium. What is the premium percentage? 5%. Now, 1 lakh multiplied with 5%. How much I'll get? I'll get 5,000. This is done. Clear? Yes. Now, this is over. Once if it is done, we'll go for the next one. 1 lakh is done. This is the first thing we did. 5,000 is done. This is the second thing we did. Now, loss on issue of debenture. As I told you, 5% discount, 5% premium. How much loss? 10%. Now, your value is 1 lakh multiplied with 10%. How much you will get? 10,000. Your loss is 10,000. This is a third one. Any doubt up to this? Hope there is no doubt. Why? Because in front of debenture I have written 1 lakh. In front of debenture I have written 1 lakh. Premium I have written 5,000. Your loss is how much? 10,000. Up to this, no doubt. Now, 1 lakh plus 5,000, how much? Yes, the answer is 1 lakh 5,000 minus how much you have debit side? 10,000 minus 10,000. Your answer will be 95,000. So these all about your fifth journal entry. Hope you understood. So we'll come for the next one. In front of debenture, how much you should write? 1 lakh. Premium is 5,000. To bank 1 lakh 5,000. This is done. Hope you clear. Every question paper you will get one problem on debenture. In that one adjustment you will get like this. First 3-4 are very simple. Only one extra thing you have to remember, this one. This journal entry please work out 10 times because this is the only thing you may feel difficult. Rest of the things are easy. Now, issue of debenture at premium and redemption also premium. Both the side it is not loss. At the time of collection, we collected 105 because 5% more. At the time of repayment, I paid 105, 5 rupees more. One side loss, one side profit. Remember, this is 1 lakh, this is 5%. How to write amount? Simple. In front of debenture, 1 lakh. What is the premium? 5% means 5,000. Premium on redemption, it is nothing but, this premium is nothing but your issue and this premium at the time of redemption. So this is also 5%. So 5,000. Now remember this. This is 5% and this one also 5%. At the time of issue also 5%. At the time of redemption also 5%. Once if it is done, now we'll come for the bank and loss on issue of debenture. In this, this will be 5,000. This will be 1 lakh 5,000. Hope you understood. At the end, you have one more thing. Debenture, premium and bank. Simple. Your debenture will be 1 lakh. Your premium will be 5,000 and this will be 1 lakh 5,000. 5,000 because at the time of redemption only 5%. These all about your today's calculation. So one thing I'll tell you clearly, if you work out this 3, total 6, your debenture is done. Other than this, I can bet you 1 lakh also you will not get anything extra. This much only you will get. So this problem, remember this is your session 6. This problem, make it as a example problem. Why? Because if you find any question paper, you will find 100% same kind of question. Only numbers will be changed, but concept, calculation, journal entry, every time it is same and same. In the next session, we'll come up with one more new problem so that you will understand better. Thank you.